Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are all safe and healthy at home. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, do hit the subscribe button for new videos every week. So, recently, because of this lockdown, we are all stuck at home, aren't we? We don't know what to do with the little extra time that we have at hand. Usually, we are always busy. We are going to our office, we are meeting up with friends, going for a movie, or going outside, making some plans here and there. But that has all come to a stop now. We are not used to this free time that we have. Aren't we all confused? I myself am confused and I don't know what to do with the time that I have. So eventually, I end up spending all this time in the social media platforms that are there. It's not really a bad thing to do that, but we can also utilize this time doing something important or doing something engaging that might even help us in the long run. So here I have come and I'm going to share few things with you guys so that you can utilize this time and enjoy this time and learn something better, maybe even have some fun with your family. So let's get started with this. So first of all, a very important thing at this point of time is keeping ourselves updated with the things that are happening around us. So depends on what you want to do and even what you are interested in. Not all of us are interested in the same thing. So there are many online platforms available where you can go and sign in and get yourself an account where you can learn online courses. There are many free courses that are available and many paid ones. So depending on what you want to learn, depending on what your interest area is, there are many courses available and many websites as well. So staying at home, the best option right now to upskill yourself is through online platforms. You can also go to YouTube and check out some videos that are available related to what your interests are. So at this point of time, many digital, maybe digital marketing, even digital workshops are very famous. So even you, if you are interested, you can check them out as well. So at this point of time, I myself am awake throughout the night, like almost till 2 to 3 o'clock. So because of that, I end up having a midnight snack. I don't know about all of you, but this is me almost every other night. So because of that, I am having a very unhealthy habit which is not good for our body. So I have started doing some exercise on a daily basis. It can be in any form that you want to do, but try and burn some calories because we end up eating a lot throughout the day when we are at home. So it can be in any form of exercise, but do try and burn some calories throughout the day. So the next one is making something DIY for yourself. I personally love making DIY materials because it is nothing but jugaad. So if you want to do something for yourself, this is the perfect example. So this DIY nameplate we have made with just ice cream sticks, and trust me, we have almost saved 1,000 rupees from buying it outside. You can even use the old glass pots or even sometimes glass bottles that we have at home. Just paint it with some acrylic paint and you can use it in any way that you want. Here I have just used it as a pot where I have kept a plant. You can also use it in several ways that you want to. The other one that I have done here is have added some potpourri inside and it gives a very nice smell to the house, and just cover it with a net and there it is. It is a very nice way to decorate your house. So the next thing that you can do, I'm sure many of you already have a habit of reading books, but at this time, if you already have some books at hand and which you have not read already, do read it and spend some time reading books because it's a very nice to keep your brain engaged. So here I am not showing you any recommending any books, but it depends on your personal taste, but do read some books and spend some time on that. So the next one, I'm sure many of us are used to this, but we end up taking this as the last option, which is cleaning our rooms and our house. Right now we don't have any helping hand. And for most of us, if you are a working couple or a bachelor and you don't have anyone at home to help you out, this is the last thing that you want to do. So at this time, when you have some extra time, you can utilize it and clean your entire house. And cleaning the place that you stay in is a very nice way to keep your mind free. So do go and clean your room or clean your house. So the next way to keep yourself engaged is trying your hands on some new hobbies. So here I am trying my hands on some truck simulator, which is Euro Truck Simulator. I'm really not a gamer, trust me, but this one is really fun and I am driving like a pro now, and I'm growing my business at it, which is really nice, and keeping myself engaged. So if you like doing something like this or any kind of gaming, do try it out. Well, there are innumerable number of hobbies that you can try out. Even you can try your hands on some painting and sketching if you like to. These sketches are made by Ankur. I am not a great painter, but I do love doodling at times. So try some new hobbies and let me know if you have tried out something. So the next one is to engage with your family and spend some time with them. You can just use your hands on some board games, play some games with them, maybe some cards, Uno or Ludo or Carom, and spend some nice quality time with them. You can also sit with them and have a nice cup of chai or coffee. This is a very nice way to bond with your family as well. If you have not caught up with your friends, make a video call with them, have a group chat with them, or even call that dear friend that you have not called for a real long time. So spend this time and catch up with your friends and family by staying at home. Please remember. Well, aren't we all saving a lot of money by not going out and not going to the movies and not eating outside? So why let that money sit in our accounts when that money can just earn for itself? So I would like to tell you, just go one step ahead and start investing that money somewhere. That totally depends on your risk appetite, your goals, maybe it long term or short term, or what kind of investment you want to do. There are several options available. Do check that out and start investing now. So I'm going to show you a very nice way how you can arrange your socks. So what I do here is, once the socks are all washed up, this is the old container that I have. I just roll up the socks and I arrange it in a very nice way so that the pair of socks is not very difficult to find and I can easily find them when I need it. If you are a big foodie like me, I'm sure you are all craving for that food that you used to order or go out and eat, but you are not able to do that right now. So why not spend this time and try and cook that nice recipe that you love to eat? Just go inside your kitchen and spend some time with yourself and cook that nice, delicious thing that you want to eat. So even after all this, I make sure that I have some time at hand for myself. So I think even you should spend some time for yourself and relax and have a nice time. Because all the industries, actually most of the industries are getting hit really bad because of this lockdown period. Market is going down. So really once the lockdown is over, once everything gets back to normal slowly, we are all going to work really hard, go to office, and we are all going to be very busy and we will not get this free time at all. So I suggest you utilize this time and spend some time with yourself and relax. So guys, these are all the things that I try doing to keep myself engaged at this time. Do let me know in the comments below if you do something which is really fun and I didn't mention it in my video. I would really love to include it in some other video of mine. If you liked our video, do hit the like button and let us know if you have tried something out as well and you think that this have helped you out in this time. And I would really like to take this time and thank all the people who are doing work at this time, risking their lives and providing us with all the essential services right now. So So they are our real heroes at this time. So just let's take a moment and thank each and every one of them. So stay home and stay safe. Goodbye. See you next time with yet another video.